How to create a mindful living product store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by showing you how you can create your own account. So here into Shopify in your Google, and here click on the first link that you will have. Then click on start free trial, enter your email, then you will proceed to creating your account. And after your account is been created, you will proceed to this dashboard where you can control everything about your profile. So here in your left, you have all of these buttons which will allow you to control everything about your online store. So here we have the home, then we have orders. It's where you can check your orders, the ordered items over time, the returns, the fulfilled orders, and then you have the products where you can add new products or import the products from other stores, or it's where you can edit the products that you've already created. And then we have the customers. It's where you can check your customers, add new customers, or import customers from other stores. Then you have the content, you have the analytics, where you can check your total sales, the sales by channel. You can also see your online store conversion rate, the online store sessions, the total orders, the average order value. So you can check all of your data in this page. Then you have the marketing and the discounts. Then we have the online store. It's where you can improve your theme or your online store, check how it's looking like, how to customize it. So here, when you click on view your store, you will see your store. So guys, this is our store. This is how it's looking like. This is the products, the example of the products, the email newsletter, and the footer. We have an empty footer. And here in the header, we don't have a logo, we have nothing. So here, let's go back and let's show you how to install a theme like this. So here, by scrolling down, you will find all of those themes and click on visit the theme store. And here you will be able to browse all the themes. We have 173 themes, 12 of them are free, the others are all paid. As you can see, this one costs $320, this one costs $360, and this one is free, paid, same thing, paid as well. Here also another free one. So here is just go up and let's filter by the free themes. So here click on free to see just the free themes, and here you can check the theme. For example, if you like this one, you can just click on the theme, then click on view demo store to see how is the store looking like. So this is the store, this is how it's looking like. It's about the surfers products. We have all of those products. So this is how the store looks like, or the theme. So if you like this theme and you want to install it, just click on try theme, then you will have it installed in your theme library. In here, you will need first to click on publish in order to publish it to be your current theme. So after you're done, guys, with choosing the theme that you want to use, then click on customize to customize that theme. So here, guys, this is the theme I've chosen. So here I'm going to start customizing it. So here I'm going to start with the announcement bar. I'm going to make this auto rotate announcements on, and I'm going to leave it in 4 seconds like that. That's all I'm going to change in here. Then I'm going to go back and change the text inside the announcement bar. I'm going to go with free shipping today, or let's go with free shipping this week. So here, free shipping this week. Then I'm going to go back, add another announcement. I'm going to go with 50% off today only. And that's it. Then you will see that it's going to change every 4 seconds between these two texts. As you can see, 50% off today, now free shipping this week. So that's the changes I'm going to make to the announcement bar. Then I'm going to close it. Then I'm going to proceed to the header. So here in the header, the first thing I'm going to do is to place it in the middle left. Then I'm going to go to the theme settings to install a logo. So here you can click on select image to upload a logo from your desktop. If you have already created one, you can upload it from your desktop. And if not, you can go to explore free images. So here I'm going to find a mindful living products image. Here we have nation, coffee, work from home, jewelry, accessories. I'm going to go with home and furniture. And I'm going to choose this one, for example. Then click on select. And here it's now your logo. You can change the width of the logo. Let's make it 100 pixels. Then you have the fav icon. It's the icon that you will have in here, like this one. It will be a small icon in the window, like this. So here, guys, you just need to take your logo and change the sizes of the logo, then upload it again in here, and it will fit in the fav icon. So guys, it's very easy to work on this platform. You will just need to click on whatever you like to change, then you will be able to change it. And also keep in mind, when you're done with the changes, click on save to save everything. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.